Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Vizo Remote is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your home entertainment system, and today we're diving deep into what makes a remote truly stand out, exploring its design, functionality, and how it can elevate your viewing experience from mundane to magnificent. Number 5. XRT136 Universal Replacement Remote Control. Introducing the XRT136 Universal Replacement Remote. It works right out of the box, no programming needed. Experience the fastest response time, under 0.1 seconds, for seamless control. This remote is built to perform just like your original. It has been tested to support over 150,000 clicks, ensuring durability and reliability. It's compatible with a vast range of Vizio Smart TV models, including D-Series, M-Series, P-Series, and V-Series. It also works with many other Vizio remote models like XRT140 and XRT260. Forget complicated setup processes. This remote is designed for immediate use, offering a hassle-free experience from the moment you unbox it. We stand by our product with a 2-year return service warranty. Enjoy your smart TV with confidence, knowing you're covered. What we like. This remote works right out of the box with no programming needed. It boasts an incredibly fast response time, under 0.1 seconds, ensuring you won't miss a beat. If you're looking for a reliable replacement with a long warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. The remote is easy to set up and use. It has a good range and works well from across the room. The buttons are well spaced and easy to press. Number 4. Vizio Smart TV Remote Replacement XRT136. Introducing the ultimate replacement remote for your Vizio Smart TV. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Vizio Smart TV models, ensuring compatibility with your favorite series. Forget complicated programming. This remote works right out of the box, simply add batteries and it's ready to control your TV. It's the perfect replacement for your original remote. Enjoy faster access to your most used applications with 6 dedicated shortcut buttons. Get to your favorite content in an instant. Experience precise control from up to 40 feet away. Its advanced infrared technology ensures a rapid response, typically under 0.1 seconds, for a smooth viewing experience. Built to last, this remote has undergone rigorous testing, proving its durability with over 150,000 clicks. You can count on it for consistent performance. We stand by our product with a 100-day warranty. If you encounter any issues, our customer support team is ready to assist you within 12 hours. What we like. Get back to watching your favorite shows instantly with this remote that works right out of the box. It features convenient shortcut buttons for quick access to apps. If you prioritize ease of use and fast app launching, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The remote control is designed with a sleek and ergonomic profile, making it comfortable to hold and operate. It features a user-friendly interface with clearly labeled buttons for easy navigation of TV functions. The remote offers a wide range of programmable buttons, allowing users to customize it for various devices and functions. Number 3. Universal XRT136 Remote Control for Vizio Smart TV. Introducing the Universal XRT136 Remote Control, designed to work seamlessly with all Vizio Smart TVs. No programming or setup is required, it works right out of the box. This remote is a universal replacement for a vast range of Vizio remote models, including XRT112, XRT122, and many more. It's compatible with all Vizio TV series like D, M, P, E, and OLED. Whether you have a Vizio D24F, F1, 43E2, M65, E0, P55, E1, or any other Vizio Smart TV, this remote is the perfect fit. It supports HD, 4K, HDR, and UHD models. Forget complicated setups. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to go. It's the most convenient way to control your Vizio Smart TV. This is the ideal replacement for your lost or broken Vizio remote. Enjoy full control over your smart TV functions without any hassle. It's engineered to be compatible with every Vizio Smart TV model, ensuring you can control your device with ease. Experience uninterrupted entertainment. What we like. This universal replacement remote is designed to work with virtually all Vizio smart TVs without any programming. Simply insert batteries and it's ready to go. If you need a single remote that covers a vast range of Vizio models and offers instant functionality, this is your best bet. What people say. The remote is easy to set up and use. It has a good range and works well from across the room. The design is sleek and fits comfortably in the hand. Number 2. Vizio Universal Remote Control. Introducing the new Vizio Universal Remote Control, designed to work with all Vizio brand TVs, including smart TVs. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. This remote boasts the broadest model compatibility, fitting for all Vizio V, M, D, P, PX, E, and OLED series TVs. It supports LED, LCD, HD, 4K, HDR, UHD, and Smart TV models, as well as numerous Vizio remote control models. Setting up this replacement remote is incredibly easy. It works right out of the box without any programming needed, making it a hassle-free solution for controlling your television. Experience a strong, reliable signal with infrared technology that allows for further transmission and multi-angle induction. You can precisely control your TV from up to 40 feet away with a response time of less than 0.2 seconds. The buttons are made of soft silicone, offering a comfortable, anti-dusted touch. They are built to last, having passed an approved test for over 120,000 clicks. It seamlessly integrates with Vizio SmartCast TVs, ensuring you can easily navigate all your favorite apps and content. Enjoy a unified control experience for all your Vizio devices. What we like. Experience a comfortable and responsive control with its soft silicone buttons and a response time under 0.2 seconds. It offers a long-range signal for convenience. If you value a comfortable tactile feel and a dependable, long-lasting remote with a solid warranty, consider this option. What people say. The remote is a perfect fit for my Vizio TV. All the buttons work perfectly, and it was easy to set up. Number 1. XRT136 Remote Control Replacement for Vizio SmartCast TVs. Introducing the XRT136 Remote Control, a perfect replacement for your Vizio SmartCast TV. It's designed for seamless compatibility with a wide range of Vizio models. No complicated programming is needed. Simply insert new batteries, and you're ready to go. Enjoy immediate control over your television. This remote is compatible with numerous Vizio SmartCast and E-Series Smart TV models. Check the list to ensure it's the right fit for your device. Experience reliable performance with this high-quality infrared remote. It's built to last and provide a consistent user experience. Your package will include one XRT136 remote control. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. This high-quality IR remote is ready to use the moment you insert new batteries, requiring no programming. It's designed for seamless compatibility with Vizio SmartCast TVs. If you want a straightforward, high-quality replacement that works instantly without any hassle, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The remote control is designed with a comfortable grip and intuitive button layout, making it easy to navigate through menus and access functions. It features a dedicated button for quick access to streaming services, which is a convenient addition for users who frequently use platforms like Netflix or Hulu. The remote's backlit keys are a great feature for use in low-light conditions, ensuring that all buttons are easily visible without needing to turn on the main lights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.